Hello friends, welcome to my channel Serenitiz. Today we will be doing watercolor doodling. Following things are required as shown on your screen. Now get your brushes ready. Put masking tape on all borders so that your paper doesn't move and also to get a clean border. Spray some water on the paper. Sprinkle few colors of your choice. Now start making different patterns. Here I am using a flat brush. Now start designing the grass pattern. Make different flower patterns using black pen. Get your pencils and scales ready. Now divide your art piece in 5 equal parts. Use cutter or scissor to cut it. Slowly remove the masking tape. Cut the extra boundary. Now deconstruct your art piece. Your art piece is ready. Place it in an uneven position to make it look unique. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.